What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Kith collaboration with Asics on the Gel-Lyte 3 in the Yoshino Rose colorway. In the past, we've seen a ton of fire releases between Ronnie Fig's Kith label and Asics. And recently, the two teamed up once again to release a trio of Asics Gel-Lyte 3 releases. This pack, which was nicknamed the Tokyo Trio, all draw inspiration from Tokyo, and they released on Kith.com on July 27th for a retail price of $180 each. So this one is the pair that I managed to grab on Kith. This one is nicknamed the Yoshino Rose, which takes its name from the Yoshino cherry tree, which is more commonly known as the sakura tree, which is seen throughout Tokyo for its beautiful cherry blossoms. So these trees bloom once a year throughout Tokyo, and we even have some of these trees here in Toronto as well. So first off, here's a quick look at the box, and as you can see, this is a special edition box that has both Asics branding and Ronnie Fig branding on it as well. As for the shoes, this is your classic Gel-Lyte 3 silhouette. Kicking things off, taking a look at the toe box, this is covered in this white colored mesh. And then surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, here we have a very soft white colored leather, and we have these two cutaways on the lateral side that exposes hits of 3M underneath. As we move downwards, the majority of the midfoot and the back end of the shoe is covered in this off-white colored suede. This is pigskin suede, which has a very soft and premium feel to it, which I loved. In the middle of the shoe, the middle two eyelets are done in this red colored TPU, and then below this we have the signature Asics stripes, which is done in this rose colored suede. Moving towards the back, so we see more of that off-white colored suede wrapping the back heel, and on the lateral side only, we have Gel-Lyte 3 debossed on the back. And on the very center of the back heel, we have both Asics and Gel branding here as well. For the laces, these come with a flat style white lace, but they do give you 3 extra lace options. So there's a blue colored lace, a red colored lace, and my personal favorite, the rose colored lace. I'm probably gonna swap it out to the rose laces, but all 4 options to me are fire. Underneath the laces, we have your signature split tongue, which is different than your conventional tongue in that it's split right down the center. This is constructed out of that white mesh that was found on the toe box. And on the lateral side of the tongue, we have Ronnie Fig's last name embroidered in this blue color, and it's done in this Asics gel style font. Hugging the bottom of the back heel, we have this grayish colored heel clip, which gives you added structure and support for the back end of the shoe. Taking out the insoles, these come with a blue and white colored insole with Asics branding on the left foot and Fig branding on the right foot. So the upper of these Gel-Lyte 3s sits atop this midsole, which is colored in white on the forefoot and back heel, and this off-white color in the center. We have Asics branding in blue on the lateral side only, and encapsulated within this midsole, we do have Asics gel technology. Flipping the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, which is done in 3 colors. We have this hit of red rubber on the forefoot, off-white in the middle with Asics branding in the center, and black rubber on the back heel. So that covers the appearance of this shoe. In terms of how they fit, I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I got these in a 10.5. Generally speaking, I feel like the Gel-Lyte 3 runs a bit snug, so I personally prefer the feel of going up a half size. However, your mileage may vary, so whatever size you normally wear in the Gel-Lyte 3, I'd recommend just sticking with that same size for this pair. Next up, in terms of comfort, so the Gel-Lyte 3 as far as a retro sneaker goes is actually pretty comfortable. With the gel cushioning underneath your foot, it's not going to be comparable to modern day technology, but as far as a retro sneaker goes, they felt pretty plush on feet, and the step-in comfort was pretty good straight out of the box. So to me at least, there's going to be no problems wearing these for a whole day. Finally, quickly touching upon quality and craftsmanship once again. So I mentioned earlier that the quality of the leather and the suede was very good, and especially if you compare it to materials found on GR Nikes, this is definitely an upgrade. In addition to that, the craftsmanship on my pair was pretty good. There was no major issues that I could find, so overall, a very solidly well-built sneaker. With all that out of the way now, let's lace up these Gel-Lyte 3s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Ronnie Fig and Asics have once again knocked it out of the park. I'm not a huge Asics fan myself, and I'll definitely own up to the fact that the hype component got to me. But with that said, objectively speaking, this shoe was very well made, and of the 3 colors that were released, this is definitely the one I had my eyes set on. To me, this is a very versatile and easy shoe to wear, and the fact that they give you different laces to customize the look of it is just an added bonus. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Gel-Lyte 3 Yoshino Rose. Of the 3 pairs in the Tokyo Trio pack, which one was your favorite, and did you manage to cop or you took an L? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8, check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.